Hey everybody, it's Kimberly from the Ever After Vlog and
Lilybell
and LeGrand. So before we went on this cruise, we saw a lot of videos that showed room tours, like right when you got in the room and it looked all clean and proper. So we just woke up for the day. We're getting ready to head out and go have some fun. We kind of wanted to show you guys what a lived-in stateroom looks like. Also, I wanted to show you guys, like if you're going to travel with a baby, like how we traveled with her and the products that we brought with to help us, and the products that Royal Caribbean provided. So, without further ado, we'll start here. This is the front door, obviously. And then over here you have like your breakfast pass, or your breakfast menu. So, continental breakfast is complimentary. But if you want to order, sorry about that, if you want to order like pancakes or eggs or anything, there is just a $7.95 per room delivery charge. So we just ordered continental breakfast today. We had some muffins. Order lots of these guys. They're kind of small, so if you want like a lot of like donuts or like a croissant, they were a little bit small. Also, you can stock your mini bar using this too. We decided not to because we need the room for breast milk. Right here is a nice closet. Let me turn the light on so it will focus a little better. There we go. So I have my clothes in here and Lily's as well. And then, so lots of space there. Also, a lot of closet space as well. We have our life jackets. Royal Caribbean did bring us a little baby jacket for Lily yesterday, so we are all set on that. Also, we traveled with a car seat, and we just put the car seat down there with the shoes because we figured it'll be nice and out of the way. Also, there is extra pillows up here if you do need them, or space for whatever you would like. Next, we are going to show you the bathroom. So I have my hanging toiletry bag there, and it fits just fine, and I hung up Lily's towel there. And here's the shower. And we got this off of Amazon. It's just a little blow-up bathtub. Lily took a bath in it last night, and she had lots of fun in it, splashed and all that stuff, and it's like perfect. It fits on the bottom. We just have it up so it can dry. Then we got the toilet. And I have her baby bottle rack right there, so I can clean her bottles and whatnot. This is the travel sized, I think it's called a Boon Wand. It came with a brush and a little like nipple cleaner thingy. So we're able to wash pump parts, bottles, whatever. And then I just brought a little thing of dish soap so we can clean the dishes better. And then there's lots of shelving space right there. And then there's another little nook, but most of that is so you can scrub your toilet. Actually, you don't have to scrub the toilet. They will scrub it for you. A nice big mirror, hello. So yeah, that is the bathroom. Not much to it, but it works. Alright, here's the scary part. This is what it looks like lived in. So, actually I cleaned up a little bit too. So there's the bed pulled out. We brought our stroller with us, so we just folded it and put it there. There's like a garbage down there. Nice big long mirror. Yay. Then this is the vanity area. I did my makeup there last night. My hair was really nice because I got to sit down. We have all of our chargers right there. There's 3 very spacious drawers that LeGrand and Skylar were able to get all of their clothes in. Just fine and dandy. We have plenty of cabinet space here. Here's all Lily's baby food and diapers. There is a safe down there. Also, right here, there's a hairdryer there, but I brought my own hairdryer and my own like flat iron and stuff to curl my hair and whatnot and makeup, so I just put it all in there. And here is the refrigerator. Oh, pull it out. So I have Lily's milk in there, and Legrand was able to fit some of his monsters. So that's really nice. Also, just so you know, you are able to bring bottles of wine if you would like, 1 per adult in your party. So we got 2 bottles of wine, which
it's actually 2 bottles per stateroom.
Oh, 2 bottles per stateroom. Sorry about that.
It have to be 750 milliliters or less.
750 or less. Plenty of plenty of space up here. I have all like my breast pump. We got baby sunscreen, so you can fit some pretty tall things in there. And then also there's some storage in front of the TV. Not very much, but nice spacious TV. The king size bed is pretty comfortable. The pillows were fluffy, unlike the hotel. There's little side tables. We brought some Lysol wipes that we haven't used yet, but we heard that is a good tip when you get here is to wipe everything down with Lysol wipes.
It was pretty fun.
We fit our suitcases underneath the bed. This is the crib they brought Lily. It's not like a regular pack and play. It's a little smaller, and she slept in it for about 3 hours last night and then wanted to get in bed with us. But I have all of her stuff in there. There's a boppy for comparison. So it's not huge, but she fit in it, and it's actually really cute. Petite. It was not in our room when we first showed up. They came during turn down service and set it up for us. So that's nice. And then there's quite a lot of space right here. And so like there's my side table, and then I was able to fit a backpack there. And now for the creme de things. Creme de la creme. This is a panoramic Oceanview room. These are brand new rooms. They were just introduced here in March. So it's on top of the, what do you call that area? Where the
We're on deck 12.
We're on deck 12.
Which used to be a running trail. It's around the spa at the very top.
Yeah, just right back next to the spa. And you can see that this is kind of cool. If you look straight down, you just see ocean. Actually, if you come over here and look straight down, you can see lifeboats. And if you look way over there, you can see where the captain can stand out and look at things. So yeah, that is the room. It's pretty nice. Lots of storage space. I was a little nervous when we first walked in how we're going to fit all this crap everywhere, and we did it. We did it, didn't we? Alright. One last view. It's a very big window. Thanks for joining us. We're going to go do some other things now. Oh.
Hey all. This is our room after it's been made up and cleaned. Bye.